I am Amir Irfan and I am the project manager of the project.
Hi. My name is Rushan. I'm in charge of engineering and design.
Hi. Hey, I'm NAZRIN. I'm in charge for concept and design development. Hi. I am RAZAK and I'm in charge of financial management.
Hi, I'm AIMAN. I'm in charge of the sales and development for Breezemaster for our Hvac design project.
What's that?
Why my electric bill is so high? I think my aircon takes a long time to cool.
I want a proper cooling, but at the same time, I want to save the environment and save the energy as well.
I'm living in a rented room, so I cannot clean the wall. I need a portable and compact HVAC system, which is the system should be compact and affordable.
You will be able to save the environment. Do not worry about your high electricity. Well, you will be cool. Okay, for all their problems, I have a solution, which is both portable, compactable, and also very affordable. You will be able to save the environment, save electricity, and most importantly, you will be cooled to your heart's content. Let me introduce to you the Breezemaster Mark 1, which is a personalized cooling space. Well, this is the Breezemaster Mark 1, which is our personalized cooling space. And what do we mean by personalized cooling space is it does not use a very large area to cool, and it just saves you energy by cooling in a small space. Well, our Breezemaster has a lot of features and a lot of benefits by using Breezemaster Mark 1. And the first one is economical,
Environment friendly, convenient, comfortable, and ventilation.
The Breezemaster Mark 1 is made up of environment-friendly material such as
ABS for its frame, which provides strong structure and lightweight design.
Reflective aluminium insulating sheet and the cover, which have the system to cool at fast rate.
The Breezemaster Mark 1 can be used as simple as A, B and C. For A, this is the inlet vent that will be attached to our window HVAC system. For B,
well, we have design concerns in mind, and then we have designed a window vent so you do not feel claustrophobic, or people with claustrophobia can easily use our product as they won't feel confined.
for C,
So it is easily to accessible and portable to store. As you can see, like this. Stop. Let me add on. The Breezemaster Mark 1 can also be used for heating for people who live in cold region. That's all from us. Thank you.
Finally, our problem is solved.
Well, the Breezemaster, a personalized cooling space and the solution to your problems. Money-wise, it is economical and also portable. Thank you.